During an investigation, unexplained activity can happen anywhere, at any time. Sometimes it happens where we least expect it.
All right, where's the excitement, guys? Bring it on.
What was that? Yeah, Pete.
Did somebody just leave the van?
No, but we heard something just crash like alongside. I did anyway. Just right before you called. There was something like someone whipped a rope across a door or a belt.
10-4.
What is that? Oh. Could that have been the noise? But I'm crazy. I'm not crazy. I mean, it did sound like a power cord or something like
I heard it. I heard
like
it,
that.
Whatever it was, I heard it hit, and it sounded like it hit the glass.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Didn't figure anything out.
No, it was almost like
I heard it,
someone had taken a cord
and then
just
he
went
called.
crack.
Yeah. That's crazy.
It's terrifying is what it is.